Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Drill Sander is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective tools you can add to your workshop, transforming your standard power drill into a powerful sanding machine capable of tackling everything from intricate detail work to large surface preparation, making it an indispensable asset for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike who want to achieve smooth, professional finishes without investing in a dedicated sander. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120i Portable USB Nail Drill. Discover the ultimate convenience with this pen-shaped portable nail drill. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go nail care, fitting easily into any bag. Don't let its size fool you, this electric nail file boasts a powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor. It provides efficient and smooth operation for all your nail needs. From polishing to shaping, this versatile tool handles all aspects of nail care. It's designed to give you salon-quality results right at home. Say goodbye to tedious gel removal processes. This device makes removing gel polish quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Designed with beginners in mind, it offers simple operation and comfortable handling. Achieve beautiful nails effortlessly, even if you're new to at-home manicures. What we like. This compact, pen-shaped device is incredibly portable and easy to use. Its USB power makes it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups or home use without needing a bulky power adapter. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-handle tool for basic nail care, polishing, or gel removal at home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Cannot extract points from an empty source. Number 4. WORKPRO 476 PCS Rotary Toolkit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for various tasks. It makes cutting, sanding, grinding, carving, polishing, drilling, and engraving incredibly easy. It includes a vast collection of sanding papers, bands, and flap wheels for smooth finishes. You'll also find numerous cut-off wheels for precise cuts on various materials. This set features a wide array of grinding points, diamond drills, and grinding wheels for detailed work. It also provides multiple HSS drill bits for all your drilling needs. Equipped with 4 collets of different sizes, it ensures compatibility with most rotary tools on the market. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this set helps achieve your DIY dreams. Every accessory in this group is crafted for precision and durability. These high-quality materials ensure optimal performance and excellent results for all your projects. All 476 pieces are neatly organized in a durable, transparent case. This makes it easy to store, carry, and even makes for a perfect gift for fellow DIY enthusiasts. What we like. This kit offers an incredibly comprehensive selection of 476 accessories, covering almost any rotary tool task imaginable. Its versatility allows for easy cutting, sanding, grinding, and more, compatible with most major rotary tool brands. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional needing a vast array of bits for diverse projects and appreciate organized storage, this extensive set is perfect for you. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON for extraction. Number 3. Drillbrush Ultra Stiff Cleaning Brush Set. These scrub brushes aggressively remove loose paint, rust, and stubborn stains from concrete, stone, metal, and brick. They are designed to tackle the toughest grime, offering a safer alternative to old metal wire brushes. Easily attach them to any power drill for seamless electric scrubbing and cleaning. They are great for various tough surfaces like stone and brick, quickly becoming your most used household cleaning tools. These electric scrubber brushes are perfect for a grill cleaning kit, graffiti remover, or oil-stained concrete scrubber. They excel in heavy-duty industrial cleaning and stripping, making quick work of any harsh scrubbing application. This cordless drill scrubber brush kit takes the hard work out of household cleaning tasks. Its super stiff nylon bristles aggressively remove stains from concrete, brick, or stone, and the large brush is ideal for bigger descaling projects. All products come with a 90-day no-questions-asked return window, ensuring your complete satisfaction. If you're not happy, a refund or replacement is readily available. What we like. This set features ultra-stiff nylon bristles designed for aggressive, heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It easily attaches to any power drill, transforming it into a powerful scrubber for tough grime, rust, and stubborn stains. If you need to tackle industrial stripping, clean a barbecue grill, or remove oil stains from concrete, this robust drill brush set will save you significant effort. What people say. Number 2. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. This tool keeps you in the creative zone without interruptions. It comes with a fast charging cable, allowing you to use it even while it's charging. Say goodbye to the frustration of forgotten charges. Featuring an upgraded motor, it puts more power into your DIY projects. It handles most small DIY materials, perfecting every detail. You can personalize special presents for your family with ease. This mini cordless rotary tool is built to last with enhanced battery durability. Its unique charging protection ensures a longer lifespan and optimal performance. Your creativity will never be compromised. With 5 adjustable speeds, it empowers you to effortlessly tackle any small DIY project. Even beginners can experience joyful control. Its cloud lightweight feeling reduces hand strain, allowing you to work for hours without fatigue. This set includes the high-performance tool and 42 popular accessories for fine DIY work. It's ideal for engraving, sanding, polishing, and more. It's like a portable toolbox in the palm of your hand, perfect for resin and clay crafts. What we like. This mini cordless rotary tool offers the convenience of being used while charging, ensuring uninterrupted creative flow. Its 5 adjustable speeds provide precise control for various small DIY projects, from engraving to polishing. If you're a crafter or hobbyist who values portability, continuous operation, and effortless control for detailed work, this lightweight tool is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Dura-Gold 6-piece Nylon Bristle Brush Set. Discover the versatile Dura-Gold 6-piece abrasive nylon bristle brush set. It's perfect for various tasks, from surface preparation to rust and paint removal. This comprehensive kit includes 3 circular brushes, 2 cup brushes, and 1 end brush. Each piece is designed with a 1/4 hex shank for easy compatibility. These durable brushes quickly and easily remove rust, corrosion, and deburr various materials. Their coarse abrasive grit nylon strands work effectively on metal, wood, plastic, and ceramic. They are ideal for preparing surfaces, especially for truck bed liner coatings. These brushes aggressively scuff and strip metal without generating sparks, unlike traditional wire brushes. Engineered for extended use, these brushes significantly outlast traditional wire brushes. Their nylon strands continuously expose fresh abrasive grit as they wear, ensuring consistent performance. These versatile brushes are compatible with a wide range of popular power tools. Check the list to ensure they fit your existing equipment. What we like. This 6-piece set features durable abrasive nylon bristles, offering superior performance compared to traditional wire brushes. It excels at spark-free metal stripping and surface preparation, leaving an optimal scratch profile. If you're working on truck bed liners, removing rust, or scuffing surfaces and need a safer, longer-lasting alternative to wire brushes, this set is an excellent investment. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.